Hello, I'm Kota, the mind behind Scopes data. I'm here to share with you a breakthrough in how we manage and report fleet emissions, making it easier and more reliable. The journey to accurate GHG reporting is fraught with obstacles when relying on traditional methods. Dealing with piles of data in assorted formats from different sources, coupled with frequent errors and slow processes, makes it difficult to accurately track emission numbers, particularly for plug-in hybrid and battery electric vehicles. Moreover, GHG reporting is a global requirement, not limited to countries with readily available data. This complexity is a headache for managers and hinders the adoption of smart, eco-friendly choices for fleet operations. At Scopes Data, we've addressed a complex challenge in GHG reporting with an innovative approach. Understanding the purpose behind each driven mile, whether for business, commuting, or private use, is essential for accurate GHG reporting. Since such data weren't captured by leasing companies or fuel providers, companies inevitably need to collect these from drivers. Shifting the mindset to gathering just a few additional pieces of information can resolve the issues inherent in traditional methods. Our system is designed for simplicity. Drivers spend less than 3 minutes per month reporting, because we know tedious administrative work is a hassle for everyone. Scopes Data provides this seamless solution, empowering drivers and companies to lead in environmental stewardship with ease and accuracy. Let's see how easy reporting is for drivers. At the end of each month, drivers simply log into our app, hit the report button, and input their current odometer reading. Next, they review their commuting pattern and make updates if their travel habits have changed. If not, they keep it the same. Then they enter their private mileage. After a quick check, they submit. That's all, in less than 3 minutes, right? The process is not just quick and easy. Our system also does all the calculations, ensuring the data collected is accurate. Plus, our app keeps drivers engaged by giving them feedback on their emissions, fostering a sense of environmental responsibility within your fleet. Moving on to the administrator portal, data submitted by drivers is instantly synchronized with our platform. Fleet managers can effortlessly access and manage this information, obtaining a complete overview of the fleet's emissions. Administrators have the ability to analyze in-depth reports, observe trends, and generate reports compliant with regulations. Our platform provides real-time insights and streamlines the process of sustainability reporting. With Scopes data, businesses enjoy a significant boost in the accuracy of GHG reporting, streamlined data management, and strengthened commitment to environmental responsibility. As investments in sustainable fleets grow, including HEVs, PHEVs, BEVs, and the use of renewable electricity, the need for precise reporting becomes crucial. A word of caution. Classifying BEVs as zero-emission vehicles without considering the source of the electricity can be misleading. Scopes data captures this nuance by taking into account emissions from electricity production, ensuring that the environmental impact of your fleet is reported authentically, making your sustainability efforts both transparent and genuinely impactful. At Scopes Data, we're dedicated to pioneering an application that's as simple and user-friendly as possible, requiring minimal effort from both administrators and drivers, all while promoting sustainable fleet management for a greener future. Join us in driving sustainable change. Check our website for more detail or contact us to learn more about Scopes Data. Thank you.